Hello! Today I will introduce to you a free Blender add-on. With just one click you will be able to create your LODs groups. It is very convenient for creating LODs of static objects in the environment, because the topology of the LODs of static objects does not need to be as fine as the characters or animals as LODs topology in the scene. After installing the add-on, we just have to click the Make LOD Objects button, and immediately we will get 6 LODs from LOD 0, which is the original object, and LOD 5, which is the version very far from the camera with the minimum number of tris. And done! Export it in .fbx format and import it into Unity Game Engine to check the result. Let's see what we have. Unity has recognized 6 LODs, and now we simply need to adjust the distance from the camera to the object and display the LOD corresponding to that distance. If you find this video useful, please click the like and subscribe button so I have the motivation to make the following videos. See you soon!